Hi, I'm Bala from Bangalore. I am taking the Introduction to Music Production course offered by Coursera, and this video is going to be my presentation on what I've learned from the first class that we had last week, and I'm going to show you how I put together a home audio studio that can help me go through this course and do all the various projects. I am a professional hardware engineer, but I dabble in music. I'm an amateur musician. I play a few instruments like the mandolin, guitar, and a few Indian instruments, and I mainly focus on Indian music. And I would like to now show you how I put together my studio. Thank you. When I first realized that I had to put together a studio, I thought I would have to buy a lot of equipment and software. But then when I looked at all the equipment that I already have, I realized that I could pretty much make do with what I have. And I'm going to now start showing you all the various pieces of the equipment that I have. Let's start with the Zoom H2 recorder, which is a nifty device. This is a portable recorder which has condenser mics built into it. There are 4 mics, 2 in the front and 2 in the back, which can be controlled so you can choose to turn on or turn off these mics depending upon what you're trying to record. It has a headphone output. It also has an input for an external mic and a line in to connect external mixers and other devices. And finally, it has a USB interface that you can connect to the computer. Next, we have the Behringer mixer, which is an 8-channel mixer. And as you can see here, there are XLR inputs and line-ins and a bunch of other ins and outs. I've used the tape out output to connect to my Zoom recorder for the line level signal, and these of course are the various controls for volume, panning, and so on. I also have a SM58 Shure microphone, which is a workhorse as was described to us in the class, and I've connected this to my mixer with the XLR cable, as you can see here, going into the channel here. And I also have connected my mandolin, which has a contact pickup at the bottom here, and this has a 1/4-inch jack that is connected into my mixer again, into one of the inputs here. So this mixer basically allows me to connect multiple external microphones, pickups, etc. And finally, I have a Mac Air, which I'm using as my computer to run my DAW software. What I'm planning to do is either use the Audacity or GarageBand, which comes built in with the Mac. I still haven't decided which one to use, and I've already tried this out with the equipment that I have, and Audacity seems to work. I also have connected a small portable monitor speaker so that I can listen to the audio as it's being recorded. And the only other thing that is missing is my keyboard connection. I still need to figure out how to connect that into my software. I do have a MIDI interface, a USB based one, which I plan to connect to my Mac, and hopefully that'll work. So hopefully now this video has given you an idea of how I put together my studio. I would appreciate feedback on my presentation. This is something I've been looking forward to. I've done this video recording with an iPhone and used the microphone on the iPhone, so the sound probably is not as good as it could be, but it's been a nice experience for me. I look forward to more presentations as we do other classes. Thank you.